Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. In this video, I'm sharing why aluminum cookware is coated, what is Teflon and its health risks, what is Anodize, and use and care of coated aluminum cookware. First, why is some aluminum cookware coated? Consumer aluminum bakeware and cookware has been around for decades. Aluminum is lightweight, durable, has high thermal conductivity, and high corrosion resistance. The corrosion resistance comes from a thin layer of aluminum oxide that forms when bare aluminum is exposed to oxygen. When this happens, the aluminum surface is oxidized. Bare aluminum is a highly reactive metal. Reactive means it corrodes when in contact with acids or acidic foods. Acidic foods includes tomatoes, vinegar, and citrus. Dissolved aluminum can give acidic foods a metallic flavor. The solution is applying a non-reactive coating to aluminum. Before nonstick coatings, home cooks had a choice between cast iron and stainless steel cookware. The first nonstick cookware was introduced in the 1960s. The coating was Teflon. It nearly made home cooking with cast iron and stainless steel skillets obsolete. Teflon is a fluoroplastic. Teflon's chemical name is polytetrafluoroethylene, or PTFE. A major problem with early nonstick cookware was durability. Metal utensils used with cast iron and stainless steel easily damaged PTFE coatings. The result was scratched and chipped coatings that reduced the coating's effectiveness. To prevent damage meant using wood or newly introduced plastic utensils. Unlike metal and wood, some plastic utensils could not take the heat. Today's PTFE coatings are more durable, but not indestructible. Over the years, the use of PTFE coatings has raised concern about its safety. For decades, PTFE-coated cookware was made using perfluorooctanoic acid. PFOA is classified by the World Health Organization as a probable human carcinogen. In some countries, PFOA has not been used to make PTFE cookware for many years. With the health risks of PFOA still in the news, many cookware makers market their nonstick cookware as PFOA-free. That's true for most nonstick cookware, including PTFE-coated. Some low-cost PTFE cookware may still be made using PFOA. The fact your cookware is PFOA-free doesn't mean you're living in a PFOA-free environment. Many consumer products are made using PFOA, and it's also been found in drinking water. In addition to PFOA, there is increased concern about unhealthy volatile chemicals released from PTFE cookware during high heat cooking. Most PTFE-coated cookware is made with high thermal conductivity aluminum that does not require high heat to cook foods. By high heat, I mean 500 degrees Fahrenheit and higher. Temperatures above 500 degrees Fahrenheit is higher than the smoke and flash points of most cooking fats and oils. Even this high heat avocado oil is limited to 500 degrees. Most nonstick PTFE cookware is oven rated up to 400 degrees. Deep fat frying is around 375 degrees and should be done using cast iron or steel cookware. PTFE is a thermoplastic with a melting point around 620 degrees. But temperatures above 400 degrees can damage other plastic parts like handles, releasing unhealthy volatile organic compounds. So how does Anodize compare to PTFE? Bare aluminum exposed to oxygen quickly develops a corrosion-resistant layer of aluminum oxide. But the oxide layer is very thin, about 4 nanometers, and easily damaged. An aluminum oxide coating can be thickened and hardened using an acid bath process called anodizing. Unlike aluminum's thin, clear oxide coating, Anodize increases the thickness and can be dyed different colors. While PTFE coatings are only applied to the interior surface, Anodize is applied to all surfaces except rivets and handles. Anodize is a thick layer of aluminum oxide that is part of the metal. Anodize does not flake off like PTFE and other nonstick coatings applied to the surface. But like the seasoning on cast iron, hard anodized can be damaged. And the color can fade if exposed to UV light for long periods of time. The durability of hard anodized coatings depends on the process and thickness. That information is usually not disclosed to consumers. Unlike aircraft, military, and space hardware, consumers don't know how cookware was anodized. For decades, I worked with 6061 T6 aluminum parts anodized to Mil-A 8625. Even if manufacturers disclose the anodized process to consumers, most would not have a clue what the specs mean. And many companies use proprietary processes. It may surprise most people that the thickness of hard anodize is between 1/2 and 1/1000th of an inch. While that seems thin, it's hundreds of times thicker than natural aluminum oxide. The thickness of PTFE and hard anodized coatings are about the same. For most anodized cookware, damage like nicks exposing small areas on the rim or exterior does not affect the nonstick coating. Exposed aluminum on the interior is a concern when cooking acidic foods. While some manufacturers claim metal utensils can be used with anodized cookware, it increases the risk of damaging the thin coating. Anodized cookware is more scratch resistant than PTFE, but it's not scratch proof. Like PTFE, some people believe anodized aluminum cookware is a health hazard. To date, I've found no studies linking anodized aluminum cookware to any health risk or disease. If you're concerned about the safety of anodized cookware, there is uncoated stainless steel and cast iron alternatives. One of the easiest ways to damage nonstick coatings is cleaning them in a dishwasher. Nonstick coatings are designed for easy cleanup. Hand washing in warm, soapy water should easily remove any residue and protect the coating. The makers of ceramic, copper, and granite-coated nonstick pans love to show a distraught person trying to scrape off a thick layer of burnt-on food using metal utensils. They imply American home cooks are morons who leave food cooking unattended while doing something else. Stuck burnt-on food is caused by damaged nonstick coatings, too little liquid, or overcooking. To avoid metallic flavored foods, never cook acidic foods like tomato sauce in uncoated aluminum cookware. Except for boiling water, you don't need high heat to cook most foods using aluminum cookware. Aluminum has the second highest thermal conductivity of any metal. Aluminum is second only to copper and heats more evenly than cast iron, carbon steel, and stainless steel cookware. Unlike cast iron and steel cookware, aluminum cookware heats up and cools down quickly. You can use aluminum cookware with gas, electric coil, and electric smooth tops. Aluminum is non-magnetic and will not work with induction cooktops. With proper care and use, PTFE and anodized aluminum cookware will provide years of service. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching.